Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix show my caller ID gray out on iPhone. So let's start. So first let's go to settings. Here on settings, just scroll down and let's go to general. Then just scroll down again and let's go to the part that says about. Okay, so let's go to about. And here on about, just scroll down and let's go to the part that says network and carrier, and you can check here everything is alright. Okay, so if everything is alright here, let's turn off the restriction on your iPhone. So let's back, then let's go to screen time, and then on the screen time let's go to content and privacy restriction. And in my case I have already deactivated, but in your case if it's activated, just turn off. That way everything will be fixed. So now try to take off your SIM card and try to fix the SIM card and try to use it again. Now if this is not working, I recommend you to restart your phone and try to keep press the power button and try to keep the fabric or restart everything on there. So guys, I hope one of these tips helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.